Okay, so now that I am looking white and pale and beige as what's up Candi Crew?
How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Candace, and today y'all I'm going to do my everyday makeup routine. Like, this is my uniform. This is what I do every time I have to wear makeup. Well, not have to, but every time I choose to wear makeup, this is what I do. I do the same thing every time. Like, it's like the browns, earth tone color skin. Like, that's all I need. I don't need the bright colors. I don't want no colors. I just want shades of browns and creams or whatever. Like, that's all I'm going for. That's all I ever do. All I ever do, because I do not know how to do makeup. So I figure if I keep it neutral, it goes better. It just works better for me. So yeah, y'all have been asking me for this video for a minute, honey. A minute. A good little minute. So I'm gonna try to talk through it with y'all. Now if y'all come out looking crazy, that ain't on me, because I'm telling y'all from the jump, I don't know how to do makeup like that. I just do what I do. If you end up looking like Homie the Clown after you do this video, that's on you, bro. That ain't on me. That's on you, because Homie don't play that. I bet if I got some younger people watching, they like, who is Homie the Clown?
Homie, don't play that.
Alright, so first things first, start off with a clean face. I just washed my face and everything, moisturized, put lotion on, all that. So next, I'm going through with the Rimmel. Is it Rimmel or Rimmel? Rimmel. I think it's Rimmel. Stay Matte Mattifying Primer. And just rub it in, child. Alright, so now that that's on, for my foundation, I use Fenty Beauty. What color is this? Child, let me tell you, I don't know nothing about makeup, but it's number 385. There it is right there. And Pro Filter, whatever that means. So then I just squirt this on, child. Dot it on my face. Y'all can't even see the foundation on my face. It's on there. Y'all just can't see it, but it's on there. But yeah, so now I'm using this flat top Kabuki brush. I think I got it from Amazon. If I can find it again, I'll link it below. But yeah, I just use this. And I do like to spray a little water on it, just a little bit. I don't know. I just do. Don't ask me what it do. I don't know. I just like to do it. And just blend it on in. Y'all, I feel like I can't even see it. So it's just like, is it that good at blending in my skin? Like, is this foundation just that on point? Or is it my camera? And no, if you notice, I do not put foundation on my forehead. Where did I get that from? I think I got it from like Sunkissed Alba, like years ago, when she was doing her makeup, and she was saying that she doesn't put foundation on her forehead because it just looks more natural that way. So I don't do it either, and the only way you can get away with doing that is if your foundation actually matches your skin. If your foundation is too light or too dark for your skin, you're gonna be looking crazy if you don't put foundation on your forehead. But if your foundation matches, you should be able to get away with not putting foundation on your forehead. Because I think she said, like, it just blends better, like it just looks more natural compared to, you know, sometimes when people put foundation on their forehead, it's like you can see where it starts, because it's like makeup here and then you see their, like, their scalp or their hairline, and it's just like, yeah, that looks like, I don't know, like a mask, like a foundation mask, because you can see the little small gap between their hairline and the foundation. So yeah, so foundation is on. Next, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color, what is this? Pure Beige. So yeah, honey, this is what we're going for. Beige, honey. Just beige me out. I just put it right here. Right here. That's all I do. I'm not good at, like I said, I told you I can't do no makeup now. I'm not good at highlighting, contouring, so I don't even try to go too crazy because I know I can't back it up. So I just keep it simple and cute. What they say, you know that equation KIS squared?
Kinetic inertia speed squared. That doesn't make any sense.
This means keep it simple, stupid.
That's what I like to do. Keep it simple. Alright, so I went ahead and put some water on my beauty blender so it is damp. Hey, Storm. And then I just blend it in, or try my best to, honey. child, I can't see. Y'all all in the way. Y'all just blocking the mirror. I can't see. Okay, so now that I am looking white and pale and beige as, yeah, that word. Okay, so next thing I do is just bake a little bit, I guess. Do people even bake anymore? I don't know. This is the Wet n Wild Focus Banana Setting Powder. But yeah, I just dab it on here and dab it on here. Do a light bake. You know, we just do something light. Do it like I said, if you don't know what you're doing, always go light, child. Don't go too heavy. You're gonna be looking crazy. Alright, so while this is baking, I guess, I go through with the True Complexion Contour Palette by Black Radiance, and I use the contour colors, and there's like 3 colors, but I always just go to this one, obviously, as you can see, because it's about empty. But yeah, I go for the darkest shade, the contour shade, and I guess I contour. I don't know. For the people who do know how to do makeup and are like real makeup junkies, what's the difference between contour and bronzing? Let a sister know. But anyway, I take this little angled brush right here and I dab it. I dip and I dab, and I start with my nose, contour my nose, just draw this line. And do the other side. Alright, so now that I got my nose contoured, look at it. So I let that sit too. I don't know what it do, but I just let it sit there too. And then I get, but it is a light layer powder brush. And so still using this palette, I just dab a little bit into that contour shade, that dark shade I was telling you about. But yeah, you just dab, I just dab a little bit. Dab, dab, dab. And like I make like this angle, I guess, because I take it around my hairline a little bit right here, and then right here. I don't do my forehead because I have a small forehead. There's not enough real estate right there. There's not enough real estate for me to try to contour. It's already small, so I just leave it alone. But yeah, I'm just like dabbing, stippling to bring the warmth back in my face. Okay, so after I do that, I just grab this other brush. I don't even know what it is, child. I just grab it. Don't ask me what kind of brush it is. I don't even know. It ain't got no name on it or nothing, so that's why I can't tell y'all. But then I grabbed the Sephora MicroSmooth in the color Deep Mahogany. It says number 56. And you know, I just circle around. Just circle around, dab it. And then I brush this from the bottom of my eye. Then I use my beauty blender to blend out this on my nose. Like so, y'all. I'm a little rough. Make sure all the sharp lines are gone, y'all. So now that I've done, I guess, like my face, it's time to go on to my eyes. So, oh, and before I go on to my eyes, I also meant to say that I also do take my beauty blender and I just dab over this as well, just to, you know, ease it up a little bit. Just a little bit. I don't know if it do anything, but it makes me feel good to do it. Okay, it makes me feel good. Okay, so next, now onto my eyes, I take the Bare Necessities palette from ColourPop, and I love this palette because it's all neutral colors. It's the Bare Necessities, and that's my vibe. That's all I want. Wow, look at that. It's so beautiful. Like all neutral colors. Nothing is super bright. Nothing. It's just like all earth tones. All me. Like this is my vibe right here. This is my zhuzh. My zhuzh. So now I take this flat eyeshadow brush. I guess it's the eyeshadow brush, honey. This flat brush right here, and then I use the color Tease Me. Oh snap, tease me, touch me, but don't tease me. Now put it, no, let me not finish that song. If y'all know what song I was about to finish, put it down in the comments what I was about to sing. I had to stop myself. Child, I really want to know if anybody know what I was about to say. What song I was singing. I really want to give y'all another hint because I don't know if y'all gonna catch it. I hope somebody catch it. But anyway, this is the color Tease Me. It is a like, I don't know, a light cream ivory looking color. I don't know what you call that. But yeah, that's it right here. And I just put that on my lid. Now with ColourPop, with their eyeshadows aren't that, like, I can't think of the word right now, it escapes me. But the way you need to make this work for you is that you need to pat it onto your eye, like pack it onto your eyelid. Don't just brush it on, because if you brush it on, it's going to fade and it's going to look real translucent or whatever. So you need to like pack it onto your eyelid for it to show. Now I'm going to go ahead and tell y'all, at this point I got to see what I'm doing, so I ain't really showing y'all right now. So yeah, you just want to like press it on. Because if you just like gotta brush it on, this ColourPop eyeshadow, child, you ain't gonna see nothing. Okay, so that's one eyelid. Then on to the next one.
Was a little nervous. Boy, you didn't call me. What's up? Feeling kinda crazy.
Okay, but yeah, so I have it packed onto my eyelid, that Tease Me color. So now that I put the Tease Me color on, I'm done with this palette. We can put that up. I use this brush. It's a little fluffy brush, I guess. And then I go back into my contour palette because that's my favorite palette. I love it so much. So yeah, go back to the Black Radiance, go back to that same shade, that contour shade. And I just put it in the crease of my lid because, yo, I have big eyes. I have big eyes. I have big eyelids. There's a lot of real estate right here. There's a lot of prime real estate on my eyes. So what I do is like I get the brush and I just like, bam. Just put it in my eyelid and I just run it back and forth, brush it back and forth.
You give me just what I need, just enough to make me believe.
So as you can see, like it calmed it down. It calmed down the Tease Me because this eye's popping. This eye's a little calmed down with the brown. So yeah, then I just do the same thing to the other eye, honey. You gotta calm it down. Alright, so now that my eye's done, like I said, it's very simple. This is all I do. And then on very, very simple days, I don't even add the little Tease Me color right here on my lid. I don't even do that. I just go straight to putting this in my crease and just call it a day. Okay, sorry y'all, because I think it just got like really dark in here. But it's because it's about to storm. Like the outside just got real dark outside of my window. So I think that's why. But anyway, let's keep rolling. So the next thing I do is my eyeliner. So I use the NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner. Now this right here, y'all, this right here is a good, great, amazing liquid eyeliner. I love this thing. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all from jump. Now this I ain't gonna be able to do on camera because I gotta be this close to the mirror. So y'all just gonna have to fend for yourselves on this one. I'll be back. Alright y'all, so I am back. Like I told you guys, I'm sorry, but that's eyeliner is just something I can barely do it not on camera, so I know I can't do it while I'm on camera trying to show you all. But yeah, it's not the best, but it's something. So yeah, now that I do my eyeliner, I then go through with my mascara. So I bought this mascara because it had like thousands of views, and I mean it's a good mascara, I guess. And then this is my fiber lashes. So whenever I don't feel like spending money on lash extensions, I just use this fiber mascara because I can't apply lashes like lash strips or whatever. I can't do that. But anyway, these are fiber lashes to make your lashes appear longer. So I always add this to a mascara to make them look longer than normal. If y'all notice, I have like one really long eyelash hair, and that's from that one last lash extension. It's been holding on for dear life, honey. Okay, but yeah, so I just apply the mascara first, and then I go through with the fiber. If y'all can see, if it'll show it, if it'll show you all. No, but anyway, it's just like little fibers on here. So then I brush that on, and then I go back with the mascara, and then like you just keep going back and forth until you got like the length or fullness that you want. Okay, so I have one eye with the mascara on. Just to let you know, if you guys do decide to try this fiber mascara, always finish off with your mascara. So you do your mascara first to coat your eyelashes so that the fibers have something to stick to. So you do mascara, fibers, mascara fibers. Whenever you're done applying the fibers and you got to the length or thickness that you want, always seal it with your mascara, because if you don't, those fibers will fall out and you'll be having like little fibers all over your face. So always seal it with the mascara. That should be your last step. But let me go ahead and do this other eye real quick. So yeah, so now on to my eyebrows. So my eyebrows are already super thick, super dark, so I don't add any like powder or anything to it like that, like no makeup. The only thing I do is brush them up. So I use the NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel in the color clear. So the only thing I do is just brush them up, but like I need to get my eyebrows waxed now, so it probably won't look that good now as it would if I just had my eyebrows freshly waxed. But yeah, I just brush them up. And with this eyebrow gel, you want to remember not to apply too much, because one time, y'all, I went ham when I first bought this. I went ham with this eyebrow gel, and then later on that day, like my eyebrows was flaking, honey. I had, and I was like, oh no, and nobody told me. Like, I didn't know till I looked into the mirror. So yeah, that's all I do, is I just brush them up. Alright, so the last thing is my lips. So first thing I do is I line my lips with the ColourPop Lippie pencil in the color Control. Alright, so now that my lips are lined, they're lined, honey. Then I take the NYX Powder Puff Lippie in the color Cool Intentions. And I just put that all over my lip. My lip. When I dip, you dip, we dip. Alright. Here we go. Sorry, y'all gotta see. I keep going to the side because I gotta see past y'all. Y'all in the way. Alright, so now that everything is done, at least I hope I didn't forget anything. I don't think I did. But anyway, so now that everything is done, I take the Urban Decay All Nighter makeup setting spray, and I just spray my face, child. And then I just use this fan to speed up the process. I got this cute little fan from Amazon. You just you know, go around your face to help that setting spray dry, child. We ain't got time to wait. Alright, y'all, and that is it. I know it ain't much, but I mean, this is just what I do. This is my routine, my simple little, I guess, neutral colored makeup routine. I don't do colors, anything like that. This is just it. So I hope you all liked it. I'm sure if you didn't, y'all would definitely let me know. But anyway, guys, that's all I got. I ain't got no more, honey, no more. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video if you care. And I will see you all next time. Bye.